Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, today I'm gonna be making kinky twist for my mom. She's my client for today, and I've started right away. So firstly, I'm parting the hair. I'm gonna be making a block shape, a box shape cutting style. After parting it, I applied some hair gel, not hair gel actually, hair cream. Okay, so I'm not going to be using hair wash for this very hair because my mom doesn't like all that. So I'm trying to part the hair to be as neat as possible because it's very important for your hair to be neat as you can imagine. All right, so I'm going to be showing you two forms. There are more than two forms though to make this very twist, but I'm just going to be showing you two forms of fixing the kinky braid directly to the hair and how I twist it as well. So I'm starting. So this is it. But before I talk more, take a very good look at how I fondle the hair in the both side. Okay, can you see that? You see that? You see that? You see it? Okay, so today I'm going to be making a right side twist. Okay, we know we have the left and the right side twist. Some people twist right, some twist left, but for me, when I'm making kinky, I like twisting it to the right. It comes out more beautiful for me. So I've done that very pattern. Now I'm going to be braiding directly, like braiding it, not twisting from the down. Now I'm trying to part the hair to be as neat as possible. Okay, I comb it out to make it free from any form of tangling. Then I'm going to be starting with the braiding right away. But before then, whenever we're making braids, take note of these three fingers. The first, the thumb, the next finger after the thumb, and the third finger. Yeah, just take a look at this. These basically are the three fingers that we use for braiding. Other ones support as well. But now let's take a look at how I hold the kinky braid and how I placed it on top of the hair. Now I slide below the hair, like under the hair, the two thumbs. Then I walk in with the two finger after the thumbs are the ones we used to walk in and use the third one to support for easy movement. Now take a look at how I slide in and part the hair into three. I try to tighten the hair each time I go in so the hair can come out tight and smooth. As you can see, still taking note of the fingers I talked about. Take a look at that. Now I'm parting the hair into two because I'm going to be twisting from here. I'm not going to be tying the roots of the hair today. I'm just going to twist directly. Now I'm going to make emphasis on this very one. Right now I'm folding the head inward and this one outward. Okay, when if you notice here, when I folded it outward, it wasn't going, it wasn't working. You see, now inward, it's now moving. Okay, so there is something I want to emphasize here. Most time we have difficulties with twisting. This is the major reason why you encounter that difficulty. When you want to twist inward, like you want to twist the right side, not the left, you're supposed to fondle inward, just like I'm doing, inward, in, like inward, inward. This one goes in, the other one goes out. That's how to do this very twist pattern. As you're getting it, you begin to notice that it's very free for you. But when you're getting it wrong, it's usually very difficult to move. Okay, now take a look how free it is moving. All right, and how smooth and tight this kinky is. And look at the beautiful way it came out. I like twisting to the right whenever I'm doing kinky twist. Now I'm gonna be giving the mouth a kind of beautiful style. Like I'm gonna be rolling the mouth, like fondle it and tie it, then smoothing it. smoothen it to come out, and that is it. I use my palms to smoothen it, and this is what I get. It comes out beautiful, and that's a beautiful one. All right, so let's check it out. Check it out. Can you see that? It is beautifully twisted. Now let's do one more. Okay, so don't forget, keep the three fingers on check. As I do this very one, you're gonna really learn it with this very one. Let's try again. Now I'm holding the kinky attachment, and the fingers are ready for work. Okay, so let's go in right away. Now I'll be placing the kinky on top of the hair. Just see it here. I placed it here, then the two thumbs under here. Now I part with the next after the thumb finger. Can you see? And hold with the third one again. Part and hold. This hair is now into three, and I can now move freely because I've been able to work in with the first finger after the thumb, and this is what we have. Can you see that? Can you see? Now focus on how I twist. When I fondle outward, it is difficult for me to twist. Can you see? It is difficult for me to twist. But watch when I fondle inward. Now inward, in, inwardly, inwardly, inward. Now check it out. When that one goes inwardly, the other hand goes outwardly. That makes the braid very tight. Can you see the beautiful twist? I love twisting to the right when I'm doing kinky. It looks more beautiful for me. Okay, so take a look at that. In, in. While the other one is out. Can you see? You twist the both side though, but this side goes in, the other side goes out. That's how we twist. Okay? So next time try to get it right. Now when I get to the mouth, I'm gonna be doing the same thing I did with others. Okay? I'm gonna be folding the mouth, tighten it around, and smoothing it with my fingers, which after then I'm going to be touching little fire, like burning the mouth a little bit to make it stick more and last longer. Now this is it. Can you see? You tie it till nothing is remaining, not even a strand one is remaining. Everything well tightened. Alright, now smoothen it. Can you see that? And this is it. It is what it is. Okay, so let's try again. I'm making this very twist bold because my mom doesn't like to sit for a long time, so I'm making it bold and fast. Okay, so let's do this one more again while you try yours and know if you really got the message, if you really got it right. So let's try this now. Make sure to comb out to make the hair free from any tangles. It makes it easier. Keep paying attention to the three fingers I made mention of. Try practicing with these three fingers. Others are there, but they are supporting fingers. So let's work in with this finger. Can you see that? One. I go in. Two. I go in. Three. Now this hair is in three parts. Okay. So that's that. Now focus again on the twisting part. Can you see that? Can you see it? Just make sure the two divided parts are equal. Now I go right now. It didn't work for me. I go right. Now I go in. Can you see? I go in now and it's moving as smooth as possible. This goes in, the other one goes out. In, 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 in. You twist this in and open your hand for the other one to be out. That's how it works. Hope you got it. Do you got it? You got it. I know you got it. Alright, so this is what it is for the kinky twist I'm doing today. And we came out, it was beautiful. And this is the last one. And it is.